All right, guys. Prompt six has to do with academics, educational interests, and then your passion for education or academics. So the prompt asks you to think about an academic subject that inspires you, and then describe how you furthered this interest inside and or outside of the classroom. So this one's kind of simple. What do you write about? You're writing about something academic you're passionate about or inspired by. So you would focus on one specific academic subject that you love the most. So think about that class that you cannot wait to get to every day. Just another side note, you could choose to focus on your intended major in college if you happen to know that already. So what do you write about that? You would want to talk about how you continue to further your interests. So how did you continue to grow as a learner in that specific area? How your passion and interest in the subject grew and developed. So did you know that you were interested in this subject in elementary school, and then you continue to take like science electives to help your passion grow? Special and meaningful experiences that shaped your passion. Experience outside of the classroom that you've done, such as volunteer work, internships, employment, summer programs, participation in student organizations and or clubs, as well as what you gained from your involvement with that. And then if you choose to pursue this in college, definitely elaborate on that and touch on how you hope this major in college will help you later in life. Again, just like all of our other prompts, you need to make sure that as you're writing, something is revealed about you. So take your love for science and connect it to you as a person, how it helps you grow, how it sets you up for success.